welcome. This is my LullaBaby Nursery LullaBabies channel, and I'm going to share today my three authentic sculpts from the actual artist, sold on McPherson Crafts. There is other places you can buy the actual artist kit. I wanted to share, if you're noticing this little sign, LullaBaby Nursery LullaBabies, that's my nursery name, and you can make your own plaques that you can have in your videos without having to worry about photo editing later watermarks. You can just make a personalized plaque, and you can go to my website, and a quick way, easy way is cherylshop.com. So here is my website, and if you scroll on the first page all the way down to where it says couch potato art, years ago I created digital art, and you can personalize and go just hit try it here, and right here you can make just about anything. Greeting cards, t-shirts, you can put your own art on it, you can create business cards. I'm going to add, by the time this is launched, I will add an example, maybe not mine, but I'll add an example of these little plaques for you to quickly make your own. You will also be getting brand new baby hairbrush and a baby comb with one of these dolls. If it was a newborn, I'd give away a brand new little toothbrush because a newborn has a lot less hair, but I really love, for example, the baby brush. Just look at that. Look how soft. It just, you know, there's more hair on this doll's head, so a little toothbrush just doesn't do the job as much as a little baby brush and the baby comb. But this is already dry, and it's so soft. The conditioner in there is just wonderful. And when you buy Mohair, they dye it, and they actually put a conditioner on there, and then when you go and style it and use just regular faucet water, you're actually removing the conditioner that was originally on the Mohair when you bought it. And I just love this Mohair. It's so baby fine and soft. And I used a 1-barb needle. I was going to show you what 1-barb needle looks like. I don't know if you can even see the 1-barb, and oh, my hands are so dry, but this is very fine. And when I'm rooting, so one hair, if I did one hair on the whole head, you wouldn't even be able to see it, because this is Combi painted hair where I painted the scalp. Let's look at this one here. I don't know if you can see into there. It's hand painted underneath. Brush strokes, so you're not actually physically looking at flesh scalp, you're looking at painted hair through there. It just makes it easier to style when you don't have a full head. When it comes to being a baby or a toddler, if it was an older toddler and it had a lot more hair, I wouldn't mess with, I'd probably create a shadow, but not keep it this short. I would go a little bit longer, but I think I'd probably still paint a shadow. But anyway, and then these are glass eyes. Dolls by Sandie sells these German glass eyes. They are like $40 a set. And then I also hand-rutted the eyelashes with the same hair. You can see that I haven't trimmed them. When I root the hairs upside down, and they are secured with waterproof Mod Podge, and then when I've got them set and I don't need to add any more is when I go in very carefully and add E6000 glue, which is also waterproof. Because if your eyelashes get out of, you need to fix them, you need to put a little distilled water on the lashes and reset them in the shape you want. It's really easy to do with a toothbrush, a soft toothbrush.